How to use Facebook Meta Business Suite. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Facebook Meta Business Suite. So having said that, let's jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Business Suite right here, and you're going to sign into your Facebook account, and that is the only way that you can access Business Suite, right? So you're just simply entering your email address, your password, and you log in. And once you log in, this is how it looks like. So over here, what you're going to do is you're just simply going to click on get started and you are good to go, right? And over here, you can see we have a bunch of different options that we can choose from. We got business suites, shops, ad managers, Instagram messengers, whatnot. So we'll just select Meta Business Suite and just simply click on start now or get started right here. So we're going to click on start now and we can create a page if we want to, but we'll just simply click on start now for now. Wait for a couple of seconds. And over here, as you can see, this is one of the pages that I have created. So basically over here, you can choose whatever you want. Over here on the left-hand side, you will have all of your options. Like you have business feeds, creator studio, gaming streams, inbox planners, stories. You've got all the options related to advertisements, all the options related to analysis and reports and managing options, account quality, billing, business, file manager, settings, view page. You've got all the things that you really need in just one place. You've also got insights, you've got ads, you've got planners, post stories, and all of everything. So again, when you first sign into your Facebook Meta Suite, you won't have anything. You would, of course, need to first create a page and create a marketplace or an account. And that way you can go ahead and continue on, and you can create a business account right here. So you just simply click on create a business account. You add in the name, the first name, the surname, the business email address, and continue. That is how you create a Meta business account. And after that, you just simply create a page. As you can see right here, if I click on home, I created this page, right? Very simple. You just connect your accounts right here. You can even connect your Instagram account as well. So as you can see, I've connected that. So to connect that, what you can do is you could just simply click on inbox right here. And over here, you will have the option to connect your Instagram. So over here, as you can see, you got Instagram, Facebook comments, Instagram comment. You just simply click on Instagram. So you can go ahead and connect to all of your Instagram as well as your Facebook account. You've got your posts and stories over here. You can see all the posts and stories that you have posted and scheduled. You've got your Facebook photos as well. You've got A/B testing mentions and tags over here. You've got scheduled. You've got drafts and everything. And over here, you have your stories as well. At the top right here, you can see all of your stories. And over here, you can see all of the things and engagements, reaches, likes, comments, and shares that you can see right here. So you can see I've got 2 shares on this video, and you have got 34 reaches, all right, and 5 likes and 0 comments. But yeah, you have your planner as well. You can plan all of your posts, your videos. You can create a poster story right here, and you can upload it on later on. As you can see right here, this is how it looks like when you've actually gotten ahead and planned your posts and stories. So let's go ahead and create one. So we can go ahead and click on create. We'll create a post. Actually, we'll create a reel. Wait for a couple of seconds, and here we go. All right, so over here we can click on add video. So this is the video right here. This is how it will look like. And it is now almost uploaded. And once it's uploaded, we can just simply go ahead and add a caption. We'll just say, pick something, anything, according to the video. And then we can choose a frame as well. So we could choose frame, or we can upload an image. We can go ahead and choose a thumbnail. So right now, this is the thumbnail that has been chosen. We can find any thumbnail we want. It depends on you. We'll choose this one as well. You can add your collaborators as well. And over here, you can choose where you want to, publish this video. If you want to publish it on your page, you can select your page. If you want to publish it over here onto your Instagram, you can do that as well. We'll just simply choose Instagram for now. And then we'll just simply click on next, and over here you can just simply go ahead and choose audio. If you want to go ahead and add it to the background, you can enhance the audio as well if you want to. We'll just go with somewhere like here, and then just simply click on next. And who can see this? It's public. You can schedule it as well. You can share it now, and you can save it as draft as well. Then just simply click on share, wait for a couple of seconds, and you are good to go, and your reel has been posted. and published. So over here, it'll pop up. And here we go. As you can see right here, it has now been uploaded. Very simple. And you then have the ads account as well over here. You can use it to run ads all for your page or business, whatever it is that you're running. Then you have your insights as well, where you can view all of the insights that are about your account. You know, how many likes you're getting, how many comments you're getting, how many shares, profile views, all of that, and how much people have been frequently visiting you, how many followers you got, all of that stuff. And then you have all tools. As I said before, you have a bunch of different tools that you can choose. You even have your commerce orders. And if you want me to go ahead and in depth in each of these different sections of business suite, then let me know in the comment sections. I will do a separate video for each of them, such as ads, ad managers, applications, for commerce orders, services, for billing, file manager, page settings, and all of that, and for all of the other ones as well. But for now, we'll just simply stick to this, basic stuff and move on. So next up, as I said before, you have all of your options right here. The main stuff that you have to focus on if you are using your business, you got to focus on running your page. You got to get followers, you got to post a lot of stuff, you got to post videos, content, upload more content, quality content, get followers, run ads, all right here, as you can see, run ads of your page. As you can see right here, we'll click on get started and get more followers, get more traffic to your page, get more messages and all of that. Basically boost your existing content, as you can see right here. And you can get started with Google Ads right here by creating an ad. So you can create an ad, automated ad, get more leads, boost Instagram reels or posts, get more messages, website traffic, all of that. You can choose a goal. You can boost existing content if you want. You can have automated ads as well. This will create a personalized plan for you, but depends on you. Let's say you want to boost a existing content. Over here we would have a post, but I don't think we have one. So for now, we'll just say boost. Over here we can select the reel that we want to boost. So as you can see, we already got one like over here, so we'll just say we'll boost this reel, right? So we want to get more messages or get more profile, we will choose that one. And we have button label as well. And over here you can go ahead and create your audience, and over here you have your daily budget as well. You can go ahead and schedule it, and you can go ahead and change the currency as well. For me, I would say keep it as low as possible. I mean, of course, if you spend more money, you're going to get more views and more likes, but keep it low for if you're running it for the first time, and see if it actually is boosting or not. So $1 right here, I think it's good. And over here, these are the amounts that you would get. You would get 18 to 53 clicks, and the total budget is going to be $7 for a week, I would say. And then you can just simply click on boost reel now and just run the ad. Like, very simple. But generally speaking, as I said before, if you want me to do a separate video on each of these things going in depth, then let me know in the comment sections and I will do that for you. But generally speaking, this is how it is. This is what Meta Business is. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.